Market daily visualization for August 20th, 2026. These are all daily charts, symbols SPY. First, we move the price, then adjust the daily range, move the daily low, the daily high. The PSAR flips. $30-period SMA flattened out a little bit here. 5-day look back. 5-day low. 10-day look back. 10-day low remains the same. 10-day regression line sloping downward. 30-period regression line. 30-period low and high, the range, that is. And now finally the 120-period, actually 150-period look back, sorry. And the 120-day regression line lagged by 30. So we're continuing, we've erased the entire gain of this entire burst to a new 10-day low. If there was ever a time this was going to find support, you'd think it'd be right around in here, but the real test is at SMA 30. It's Ken at tortoisecapital.net. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry. Come check us out at owlgrouptrading.com.